In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front brake pad wear sensors on this BMW 535i xDrive. These are going to be located on the driver's side front wheel area. Let's get into it. We're going to take the wheel off, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel on, take that out and grab the wheel, slide it off. I'm going to use some needle nose pliers, just grab the sensor and slide it outward. Sometimes there's a little clip, you want to pull that clip out. Just pull the clip out. Now on the bleeder cap, you want to pop that off, just get underneath there and then follow the wire. We're going to pull that out. There's a little retainer there. Now take the wire with the grommet out of that bracket. There's a little box here where the connector is. You just need to pull on the tabs on that side, open that up, grab the connector, slide that out. Just disconnect the connector, push down on the tab, slide that out. Now take the connector, line this up, lock it in place, and we'll put it in the door. Push that in and close the door. Latch it down and take the grommet, slide it into the bracket right there. That's good. Then you have the retainer right here. Go over the bleeder screw and then put the bleeder screw cap on. Take the new pad sensor and you want to line that up into the brake pad and push it down. Now we're going to install the wheel. Line the wheel up, take the lug bolt, get that started. Snug that down. Put the other bolts in. And snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts down to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.